Today we are going to be learning how to make Ankara hand fan. I told you I got your back for 90 days. So the materials you are going to be needing is this your gum, stick, but I don't have stick, so I had to use this metal that I saw in the house here. I told you anything what I seen I had to use, okay? So then you need your fabric, then you need your hasty. Let's get into it. First thing you are going to do is to measure out 14 by 48. Okay, make sure it's long. The length is going to be 48, then the width is going to be what? Is going to be 14. So now fold the fabric into two, press it. Why you have to press it is so that you get this equal halves. That's, you need to get the middle of it, because that's where you are going to be placing your hasty. Then you cut your hasty to be the same measurements with this fabric. After that, you place it in the middle. Make sure you are placing it in the wrong face, not the right face. Put it under. Then iron it. After ironing, iron it. Once you iron it very well, it's going to stick to that fabric. Then you start folding like this. You see what I'm doing? You fold it. Keep folding. You can do 1.5. You can do 1.3. 1.25. It depends. So just do 1.5. so that your fan will look fine. You can do 1.25. So just keep folding it this way. Keep folding it. As you are folding, you are pressing. Iron it. You are folding, you iron it so that it will pleat very well. That in pleating will come out well. So that's why you have to pleat very well. I'm taking my time to show you. Once you are done, you press it like this again. Keep it 1. You see it started forming already. It's already giving. Then you see this stick. Now measure the stick. That's why I don't want to give you full measurement on this stick now. How the length is going to be depends on you. So but what me I'm doing here, I'm doing 10 by 3 and 3 yards. 3 inches, sorry. Then you cut that one out. That's what we are going to be using to wrap this stick. Then you cut out this 3 by 3 again. You keep it aside. Do you get? So now I'm going to be cutting out 1.5 inch by 9. You see this one? That's the rope we are going to be using. Just don't worry. I'm going to show you all how to do it. You see this one now? We are going to be using it to wrap the stick. This is supposed to be stick, but let me show you how me I'm doing my own. Have you seen how me I'm doing my own? I had to use this thing to cover it very well because that edges of that iron is sharp. So even if it's thick, you can decide to still wrap it that way. Then that's 1.5 inch by 9, or by 8. Then you sew it. Then turn the inside out. Remember, you are going to sew it slant so that you cover the one mouth like that. You cover the other end. Then you see this 3 inch by 9 or by 10. You are going to cover the edges. Just watch what I'm doing. See, that's why I take my time to make my video, because I want you to understand it. Do you get? Then wrap it. Wrap it. As you are wrapping it round, use your gum. If you don't have this gum, no excuse. I don't want to hear I don't have it. Go and get your normal gum. That your shoemaker gum that I always see. Go and get it and use it to wrap it like this. Wrap it like this. You see this thing that I'm doing? You can use it as a souvenir for weddings. Do you get? So once after wrapping it, remember, then you close up the other end too. Then carry this your pleated Ankara. Oh yeah, take your time. Make sure you remove the first side of the wrapper. See what I'm doing? You see that first one? Don't add it to what you are going to be sewing. Just leave it one corner. That's where you are going to be attaching your stick. Do you get? Have you seen what I've just done? Do you see? So you just wrap it there. Use your gum. You see what I'm using now? I'm using that shoemaker gum. Use it to wrap it very well. Have you seen it? Now, so the fan done ready. So you now attach that your 1.5 inch by 9. You see, that's what we are going to be using to tie it now. See, Simple. It's very simple. This is it. So this is how to make your Ankara hand fan. And this is it. You can open and close. Once you close it this way, voila, inside your handbag. Do you get? Rate it. So have you seen it? So I want you guys to just tell me if this is beautiful. I know it's fine, but I want you to tell me. Use your mouth to tell me, say you fine. Use your mouth to tell me. I got you guys for 90 days. I told you. No capping. So fine.